morning, Nevelyn Nights. It's Mrs. Thompson and my daughter, Nora. So yesterday we baked Rice Krispie treats, ooey gooey caramel Rice Krispie treats, and now we have taken it to the next level. There they are. They are so good. Nora, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
They're caramely at the bottom. What do you think?
It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you made them, let me know. I can't wait to hear from you. What I want you to do today is go on a nature walk. It's beautiful out. I am going to post onto Seesaw a sheet, and you can check off what you see. If you see dirt, plants, grass, leaves, ants, bugs, a butterfly, okay? I will post that on Seesaw, and if you would like, you can go on there and respond to what you saw, or you could record yourself if you have a phone and you can show me, okay? And you can post that on Seesaw. Otherwise, just get out, go for a walk. It's beautiful out. Enjoy the nice weather. Bye. You say bye, Nora?
Bye.